durable, consistent performance.
So charge using the stainless steel blades for long lasting sharpness. I am opening the seal of the trimmer. Wait చేస్తారు. See, he has given this USB port. one laptop అయితే చూసుకోవాలి. He has given lot of blades, 4 beard comb, 4 comb. They are of equal. 4 clips have been given. These are all these two, and different for different length size of your beard or hair. You can make use of these two special clippers. Total they are provided with 4 clippers, so that we can take whatever size you want, you can make use of it. Now I am unboxing this ease of handling. Travel lock for safety, easy handling capacity, travel lock for safety, and directly we can connect these clippers like this. Blade material stainless steel, trimming range 0.5 to 10 millimeter, 60-minute battery runtime, 5 lengths, 60-minute battery runtime, 5 length settings. Gender is for men, for beard and mustache. Brand is Philips. Cordless, plastic, grey color. Trimming range is 0.5 to 10 millimeters. Charging time is 8 hours. Power requirement 5 volts DC. Power source rechargeable battery. Power consumption 0.5 watt. Battery type lithium ion. Number of batteries 0. Batteries include S. Battery runtime 1 hour. Width 5 centimeters. Height 17 centimeters. Weight of this equipment is 195 grams. Warranty summary 2 years. Service type off-site. Covered warranty is manufacturing defects. Not covered in warranty is damage. In the Flipkart I have bought this with cost of 1295, but I got the final price is 1195. You can see this on this Flipkart website from which I have booked this equipment. It's a fast delivery within 3 days of thanks to Flipkart. I got this equipment within 3 days to my nearby place, home delivery. It's very nice equipment. My bed is sore maximum because that's why I thought of buying the new Philips this trimmer, so that lot of clips are there here. Very hard motor is present inside this trimmer, so that even the blade is thickness is high also. This blade will cut your beard. There is no much noise. Reasonable noise has been coming from this device, and the motor speed and the torque of this element is very fast, so that it will cut the thick hair also, no problem. Earlier I bought the trimmer from Philips. It's worked almost for 4 years. Now I also thought of continuing the same company with some highly advanced 4 clips from this. Here the advantage is no need of putting the direct power supply. You can give the power supply from your laptop especially. This is the new feature came in this Philips model, which is very interesting. While you are working with laptop, you can keep charging. No need of putting or hanging there directly to the instrument. Directly you put that, or you can connect this to your devices like Realme charger, so that directly we can put this USB port, and moreover on one side and other side you can keep this trimmer. Now the technology has been so upgraded that no need of special chargers for each equipment. One charger for mobile like Realme 6 Pro, whichever mobile you are using, that phone is enough. That charger is enough for all the devices which is present in your home. Like this is the most advanced. Looks like very stylish. Looks very stylish and very advanced. Thanks to Flipkart and thanks to this Philips company, I am very much satisfied. I am eagerly waiting. After the closing this video, I want to clear my this beard so that I should be looking like stylish with this beard. I am eagerly waiting. See the sound. By default, he has given with charging. I did not keep any charging right now. By default, he has provided with some minimum charging so that it will work. I think return period is given for 3 days, for 1 week. Return period is of some 10 days has been given. Flipkart has provided me for 10 days. If any defect, if I found it, I will put a complaint and it will send it back. I think it looks very stylish, so there is no problem with this equipment. Thank you Flipkart and thank you Philips.